Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to share Google Form with others. Open your Google Form. There, click on the option, Copy Responder Link. You will see the link available if you wish. Check the box, shorten URL in order to make it easier to handle. Click on Copy to copy the link. Now in another tab, paste the link and you will see that it is possible to respond to the Google Form. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.